Hello folks, this is Scott with Dallas Paint Correction and Luxury Microfiber here in lightly misty, was raining earlier, Dallas, Texas. Hey, I wanted to bring you guys in. A lot of guys are asking me, Scott, can I use that MV925 high pressure spray gun that you've got on your website? Can I use that on my Greenworks? Get a load of this. So I've got my old Greenworks, right? That's the old 1500 PSI Greenworks. This thing, you know what? I abuse this thing so bad. I leave it outside in the cold, the rain. Even if we get a light frost or snow in Dallas, it just stays outside all the time. It's pretty cool. Keeps on working. But I've got a foam cannon. I've got the MV925 attached to it. I'll tell you what you're going to have to do, guys. Sorry I'm so shaky, but you see the gun, right? The gun's going to come complete with all the fittings that you need and everything like that. And then you notice, what are these things? M22 fittings. They're like a metric fitting that comes off your old one on your Greenworks. There's this little coupling right here, this brass coupling. You know where I picked that up from? I picked it up from Lowe's for about $8. If you continue to want to use the hose that comes with your little 1500 or 1600 PSI Greenworks, you just go to Lowe's and buy one of these fittings for about $8 or $9. Let me put you down on my homemade tripod over here, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Hold on, folks. So sorry, this is the shaky part. I'm going to show you what this does to the Greenworks. You know, you're not tethered to that big wand that comes with it. So, I'll bring you guys in closer to see what it looks like here, right? So basically, you've got this fitting here that you buy at Lowe's for like $8 or $9. Goes right into the old hose from the Greenworks, and you pop it into place. And then when you squeeze the trigger, you've got some nice power there. I'm going to foam my car up. Let's see what the 1500 PSI Greenworks power washer can do with the MV925 spray gun with the foam cannon. The foam cannon's got about, I got about 2 ounces of soap inside this foam cannon. This is the foam cannon I got from AutoZone. So it's kind of cheap and easy to get a hold of. Let's see how it performs with this Greenworks, with this whole setup right here. Works pretty good. You know, we don't have a lot of gallons per minute going through the power washer to be able to blow that foam through the foam cannon as well as we can with some of the bigger ones. But let me just change my end here to a 40-degree nozzle on the end of this little contraption and rinse it off. I tell you what's so nice, you know, when you have a gun that's got a swivel built into the bottom of the handle, you're not fighting the hose as much with the supplied Greenworks one. It's a really cheap, you know, easy upgrade. The whole gun and kit with everything that you need, the quick disconnects, the built-in swivel into the gun, the male coupling. You just got to get the thing from Lowe's, right? Once you get that thing from Lowe's, you turn your little Greenworks into a powerhouse, much more enjoyable to work around the car. Now, of course, if you like extension wands and you miss your old wand from your Greenworks power washer, how can you miss that thing, right? You can buy extension wands. These extension wands are, this one happens to be from MTM Hydro. What is this one? This is their ILS 28. Now you can hook it onto the gun and you've got yourself an extension wand when you want to get on top of roofs and stuff like that that's a little harder to reach. just wanted to share that with you guys. A lot of people were asking me, hey Scott, can I use it with my Greenworks, or can I use the gun with my Greenworks with these metric M22 hoses? Absolutely. Just get the little coupling from Lowe's and you're set and ready to go. Isn't that cute? Kind of a, you know, the whole gun right here is $59 on my website, and it turns the Greenworks into a little powerhouse, you know? Doesn't break the budget. And if you're still in love with your little Greenworks power washers, I love them. I still use them when I'm on the job. This is a great way to make my life a little bit easier. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.